Hi everyone, this is a screencast regarding my Google Books for my virtual library. So first off, I want to start talking about how I chose these books. So most of these books were included in some of our group virtual discussions that I really enjoyed. So those were The Best Man, the sandwich swap we used in class for an activity, as well as this true story of the three little pigs. And then for my group, we did what do you want to do? What do you do with a tale like this as well? So I picked these books for these categories because I feel like they all have such great messages to portray to the reader if they really read into it. Nowadays, teachers should be analyzing literature with their students and making sure that they can see the message the book is trying to get across and understand it. And I don't really have any least favorite books on this, but some of my favorites are The Sandwich Swap, definitely, because I feel like it has to do with something more than just food, and children probably go through it so they will be able to relate to it. As well as first day jitters. Everybody gets nervous for a first day of school, so it's easy for kids to relate to. The Best Man was also a really good book. My virtual group and I really enjoyed it. And then I love the true story of the three little pigs because that it's such a different twist on the classic tale, and I really enjoyed how funny it was. And I think kids would honestly find it really hilarious as well. Some books I included also were ones that I read throughout school, so like Where the Sidewalk Ends, A Wrinkle in Time, and then a lot of the Magic Treehouse books, like the Dinosaurs Before Dark. And I think that's basically it. Yeah, I really enjoyed this lesson, and it taught me a lot about books and how they offer more than just words on pages. They offer messages, important messages to students, and they have underlying meanings that can help children really relate to books and feel like this could be one of their hobbies in the future. I think literature is very important for students to be able to succeed in school and other things in life. And yeah, I think it's really great, and I would honestly include a lot of these titles in my class just because some of them are classics, and some of them, after reading them with my virtual groups, I think that they had some great messages in there, and that's what I want to provide for my students. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you.